Hello and welcome back to Steven with Steve. Today we're going to go through the next part in our Code Combat adventure. So if we go down here, we're up to level 4, enemy mine. We click on that guy and we'll go play.
Code Combat.
So this one's going to be a little bit different compared to the previous ones that we had. So avoid the traps, get the gems, use 5 lines of code or less. You can use the arguments to optimize your code instead of hero.move. Okay, hero.move right, hero.move right. You can use hero.move right, and in here we have a thing called our argument. Okay, and what happens is we can change that number to increase how many times we do that. So rather than typing out, if we have to do it 5 times, typing it 5 times, which we've done so far, you just put a little 5 in the middle of those brackets and it will solve all those issues for you. So it looks like they've given us a bit of code here already with hero.move right. Right, so what we're going to try and do now. Okay, so we've moved right 3, 1, 2, 3. We probably want to get to that door there. So we want to go up 1. So we're going to go hero.move up. We then want to move right to get to the other side of the bar. And then to get down from there, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So hero.move down. And this time what we're going to do is put a 3 in there. So we could write it like this, right? So we could go hero.move down, move down. But you see how that's inefficient? And also they're gonna penalize. You don't need more than move down, so you can do it all in one go. So what we're gonna do, so you can do that, but remember computer scientists are super lazy, so we prefer just to do something like that. So we've got that, and then we want to move right 1, 2. So we're going to go hero.move right, and we're going to pop a 2 in there. Okay, so let's run that and see what happens. Looking pretty good. Yep, awesome success. So that ogre's still going to be trying to get me, but he's going to get blown up from the fire trap. And we made it. Good job. So we avoided all the fire traps and got the gem. Good job. Alright, so if we go back to the main menu, and we'll keep going from there. So hopefully that's helped. Thanks very much. See you next time on Steven with Steve.